Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com here with the Cash Flow Builder update. Today is November 18th, 2021. So we're about 30 days, exactly 30 days from the last time I sent out a recording. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you, and I'm going to just go over how the cash flow building system for entrepreneurs and business owners is faring thus far since we started it back in August. Let me find where I can share my screen and get you going here. Hold on, I don't have the right screen up, so let me find the screen I'm going to, and then we can share the screen and get it done. Okay. All right, so here we go. We got the screen up, and all right, to date, the Platinum Lifetime Membership, where we are is the total gain is 16.32%. Started August 18th, so we're September, October, November, 90 days actually to the day from when we started. So we're up 16.32% in 90 days. Actually, that's about 0.5% more than over October 18th. So the same time last month, we were only slightly up about 0.5%. And that's actually what I want to focus on today is sharing with you about how these things work. And sometimes you're in a situation where you think that you should have this level of momentum that continues month over month, but really the real value is in actually protecting and preserving where you are while you wait for things to play out and give you better opportunities. And so it's really about patience and waiting it out, and then striking when the iron is hot. So that's pretty awesome that we're not up very much, but we're up about 0.5% from this time last month. Now, the interesting thing is for the month of, I'll get back to these numbers in a second, but we're actually down slightly 0.2% for November. We haven't closed out or taken a lot of positions this month. We have a lot that have been opened for about the last 2 weeks and some a little bit, almost a month. And in time, they'll play out and give us what we're looking for. So patience is what really pays us in this endeavor. It's no different than any other business. You have to have aggression, but you have to be patient as well. And the aggression is in you knowing when to strike, not in striking at everything. So getting back to the numbers here, 16.32% for the last 90 days. Current balance is 116,324.93. A monthly average return of 5.07%. With the same drawdown as we had since we started, about 4% drawdown to get to that number. The equity currently is 115,534.03. We have some trades that are in the negative right now, and so that affects the equity as we spoke to previously. And the highest that we've been is to 116,905.18. So we're about $600 off of our all-time high balance. So total profit going back to August 18th till now is 16,324.93. with negative interest of 158.51. As I say, interest is what you pay to hold one currency versus another, depending on what they're paying at the close of business. And so we paid $158.51 to achieve profits of 16,324.93. So today we haven't closed any trades out. This week we're up 0.04%. I had some trades on that were in the positive. We adjusted what we call our stops to where if they got knocked out and the trend changed directions on us, that we would get out of the positive. So a couple of those got knocked out at a small gain. And then we'll look at the total number of trades here. So total trades that we've taken over the last 90 days is 91. And the number of longs that we've taken is 49. And we have a 73% win rate on the trades that we're buying, hoping that the price goes up. And then on our shorts, where we're selling, hoping the price goes down, we've taken 42 of those trades and our win rate is 64%. So that's about a 68.5, right at a 69% win rate. So about 7 out of 10 trades is what we're looking at winning. Average win, we've gone through all that. I want to get to risk of ruin. So the risk of ruin, as if you've been following me for a period of time since we started tracking the cash flow builder system, the risk of ruin is how many trades it would take for you to consecutively lose to wipe out your account. So for us to lose 100% of our account, it would take 202 consecutive losing trades, which is a less than 0.01% probability of happening. And I recall last month, I think it was 200 trades. So it's actually, the risk is decreased and the number of trades that you have to take is going up by a factor of about, what's that, 1%? Month over month. And so that's a sign that the system is actually efficient, or it's becoming more efficient. The more trades we take and the more time we spend in the system, it's becoming more efficient to where actually our risk of ruin is going down. And so even the risk of it going down 10% is it would be 20 trades that I would have to hit consecutively in loss, but the chances of that happening are less than 0.01% as well. So that bodes well for the risk management for our system while we're obtaining the type of returns that we're obtaining. Just to go over where we've come from, starting back in August 18th when we started this system, we're up 8.15 that month. September was a slower month, 2.72, and then last month we closed at a 4.93, just under shy of 5%, and currently we're down 0.2% for the month of November. So we'll see how November plays out, and then we'll come back and we'll share that information with you as well. And so this is where, if you had set up a system, set up shop with us and started your cash flow building, you'd be up to this point around the same amount in whatever account that you attach to our done for you trading system. And so the premise and the whole purpose of me sharing this with you is to really kind of just give you an understanding of how we build cash flow, and then also share with you how it can work for you as well. So the way to do that is to actually become a Platinum Lifetime member of the Forex Fam, where we offer DFY, or done for you trading, which is to where you actually receive the full online course, the full instruction of how to use Forex to build cash flow for yourself. You get access to the one-to-one mentorship that my students in the Lifetime membership get as well. Basically access to everything that I offer to my students who are actively learning how to trade for themselves. But you get attached to that one account that you can fund, and we will actually do what we call done for you trading and build cash flow for you. And so the premise of this, as I like to restate, is not that you close out any business endeavors that you have, but really actually as a supplement to the business endeavors that you have, you take the cash flow that you built out of maybe 1 year's work in your business, put it into cash flow builder system, and allow us to work side by side with you and help grow that cash flow to the tune of, as we see right now, an average of 5% a month, which gets us to about 90% if that keeps up. But let's just say 70 to 80%. So now you've created an additional 70 to 80% cash on cash without actually adding employees, adding overhead, or actually doing it yourself. And that's a time hack for you, so that you're working less in your business, but you're actually building cash flow without sacrificing your lifestyle. So if that's interesting to you, visit us at fmtrades.com. That's where we do it all. And we teach entrepreneurs and business owners how to build and scale their cash flow every year so that they can work less in their business, enjoy life, and not give up their lifestyle. So if that's interesting, check us out, fmtrades.com. And until next time, talk to you soon. Happy trading.